Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Kent Tilley, and today I want to give you a very quick lesson on a definition of something in the investment game. I'm not saying anything when I'm teaching you about this. I'm just giving you the definition from Investopedia. That is all. Make your own interpretation of what I'm about to say. What is a dead cat bounce? A dead cat bounce is a temporary, short-lived recovery of asset prices from a prolonged decline or a bear market that is followed by the continuation of the downtrend. Frequently, downtrends are interrupted by brief periods of recovery or small rallies, during which prices temporarily rise. The name dead cat bounce is based on that notion that even a dead cat will bounce if it falls far enough and fast enough. That's it. It is an example of a sucker's rally. Thanks for watching.